Alright, y'all. We're on the way to go check out the Katterjohns building. Are you excited? You are excited?
Very excited. What time to go in there?
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Are you scared? It might have ghosts. Alright, so right here is the Katterjohns. I don't know if you're supposed to do it like this. Oh, my mask fell off. Creepy, creepy.
How can I go into?
It's totally creepy.
Can I go inside?
I can't believe people come up in here and vandalized it. This is like not right.
What?
Oh, I could have let myself in right there.
There's a massage table or something there.
Yeah, could have been giving massages. Could have let myself in right there too. What? Didn't know I'm waiting on this guy to come show it to me. I could show myself.
Dad, can we go? Let's go in.
Alright, I'm gonna do a little outside walk around here. Ooh, spooky. These trees are so big, they're so beautiful. I'm gonna back up so I can show the whole outside of the building here. Ooh, the popo's coming. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh, it's so big. Alright, I'm just going to try to walk around it real quick. Look how big that tree is. It's huge. I couldn't even hug it. It's so big. I'm impressed with the tree. It's so big. Whoopsie, little hole in the sidewalk. Right. Another big old tree. Spooky. Let me know if y'all see any ghosts. I hear a noise. Spooky. I don't know if I'm getting the best of videos. I'm trying to hurry. Alright, there's a man that's supposed to be meeting me here in a second to let me in. So, trying to go real fast to make sure kind of get all of it here. What this was. Peek down there. Might be the boogeyman. Hello? Any homies down there? Hello? sure if I'm gonna walk down there or not. Is it safe for me to walk?
This is water, right?
Oh yeah? Is it safe for me to step on it? Is there any homies down there? Oh, is this what was in the picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, any homies? Hello, homies! Okay, yeah. Are you scared?
Guessing that is a generator, maybe?
Can't believe there's no homies in here. Want to go? Want me to go?
Can't move.
Want to dance? Oh, somebody busted this in recently because this was locked.
Yeah.
I don't know how you jumped over that. Hey, here's a stripper pole. Can you hold this for a second? Must have a stripper pole move. Look. Ready? Oh, that didn't go as planned. Oh wow, there's all kind of books in here. Is that man up there?
I don't see anyone.
Oh wow.
Encyclopedias.
That are pretty much garbage, but still. Wow, that's slush. Oh wow, you could climb down from in there. Or up there, rather. Why are we even in here? Because we could go. I think I about broke my leg. Sprained my hook, my hip. So is it a secret passageway? Look. It's a secret passage.
I bet it goes all the way to the base.
Yeah, no, really. It's a fish tank.
So I bet that does go all the way to the basement up there because these are all the water pipes and things.
Go crawl in.
Too wet.
Oh, chicken head. I'll give you the light.
There's some boots.
Huh? Just I give you some booty?
Boots.
Oh, boots.
There's like a light. I was looking that would have like a electric chair or something.
Oh, God.
There's a wing out front down that hallway, and then of course we can go all the way down through here, and then there's another identical wing that goes out front at the far end. We got an upstairs, we got a penthouse, we got a basement. I don't recommend.
Okay.
It's got standing water in it. You can't see your hand in front of your face without your flashlight, and it's just dark, musty, and it's where all the steam pipes and the conduit and all that stuff is. Really not much to see down there. It's just an old basement.
Okay.
But yeah, whoever it is you're here, now you're gonna have to just kind of overlook all the bad.
Well, yeah, I understand. I'll just follow you
Yeah,
where
well,
you probably know your way around.
I'm
a little
gonna
bit.
tell you that the most interesting part of the building, I think, is we'll walk this way and we'll go up to the penthouse.
Okay.
I think that's kind of a cool thing. But, you just, let's see, you got, watch your.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Don't worry about me.
Yeah, I don't want you to cut your foot on anything. But, anytime you wanna stop and duck in, you just tell me to stop. But we'll go down this way. I'll show you the entrance. I thought the entrance was pretty cool. And then I'll show you and be careful walking in here. A lot of that plaster has come off the ceilings, but this is your entrance.
Okay, this was in one of the pictures, correct?
It was.
Okay.
There's the old business that used to be here, still stenciled on the door. I had a hard time, Michelle, finding a photo that didn't have bad graffiti in
I
it.
see,
And
yeah.
I didn't want to put anything like that on my website.
Yeah, I
So,
understand.
But I will tell you that the entire town, entire neighborhood, and entire city knows what I'm up against here. So,
Right.
But I didn't want to put anything foul language.
Don't really understand,
Yeah.
you know, why people would do that, but,
You know what? It's a shame. That's all I can say.
and there's areas that they kind of do that,
Yeah.
you know, like Cadillac Ranch or
Yeah.
whatever, and,
There's the elevator. Watch the step. And we can go up to the penthouse right here.
okay.
Can you see in there okay?
Yeah,
Yeah. Kind of cool.
it's what it is.
Yeah, that's right. Just watch your step.
Being as old as it is, it's in pretty good shape.
Well, Michelle, you're right. The concrete structure is stout.
Right,
I mean, it's concrete, but, you know, electrical, plumbing, trim work, flooring, it's all red. And of course, there's the elevator again.
I can't believe it's across from the police department and people come in here, I guess at night or,
We'll go to the penthouse. I just wanted you to look down these two. We're gonna go back up the stairs
Okay.
again. But this is the second level, and the second level, Michelle, is pretty much a mirror image of the first level.
okay.
Yeah. Now the penthouse is, I just think that's kind of, it was really cool in its day.
It's not as dusty, I guess.
This is where you got the biggest water intrusion.
Oh, from the
Yeah,
roof
so
leaking?
that's why this
Yeah.
is kind of damp here. But the steps and the structure are all just as solid as the day they were built. This is the penthouse where somebody lived. With elevator access, stair access.
Oh, wow.
The stained glass on either side. You can tell at one time this was probably pretty cool. It's got a library, study, bathroom, kitchen area. I'll try to stay out of your way. I know you're filming.
Oh, you're fine.
Trying to remember. Let's see. I don't know what that room was, Michelle. It's some kind of small, might have been a bedroom. And then you got a bathroom area. And then you got, I don't know, if this was conference room
Yeah,
or formal.
look like a good guess.
I think this was formal. I'm not sure where the formal dining was. But anyway, I thought that's all neat. That woodwork's all neat. Yeah. Kind of a shame.
Can't get over all the graffiti in here.
Oh, terrible. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. That's just another bathroom. closet.
Oh wow.
Don't know what that is. Can open it.
You think there's ghosts in here?
You know, that's on the.
People's ask you that.
It's actually online as a ghost tour. On
Right.
Kentucky. Now, I haven't been asked much about that, but I've had people bring it up.
Just because the old hospital
Yeah.
or
Mm-hmm.
like attic space, I guess.
Yeah.
That's
I
kinda-
thought this would be something Todd Farron being interested in because he can make a bunch of money right around Halloween.
Yeah, yeah.
Anybody. This thing sells cheap enough, somebody could do something like that and make some money quick because people love that kind of stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
They really do.
I didn't
You
think
can
about
look out the window if you want to. It's kind of cool looking at the roof line here, or you can look over at that wing.
I didn't think about Todd Farron. That would be really cool. Something
Yeah.
for him.
Yep.
I think just for it to be saved would be cool.
Yeah.
That
Those
is
are
cool.
slate shingles. I think they're original. Concrete.
Don't know much about that, but they definitely look old.
Yeah, but they last forever. They have an infinite life. They're concrete. Now you can reach out there and touch them, and I've done that. They're concrete shingles. Let's see, better go up a little bit.
Reach that
Yeah,
far.
come on over on this side.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah, they're not fiberglass or anything. They've got some damage down there on that end, but yeah,
That's amazing.
just a shame.
Really expected it to be in worse shape, I think.
Yeah, it's here's
I mean-
the top side of the elevator. I always thought this was neat. You can see above it, see all the cables and everything. And I've been in the basement and seen the electrical winding motors. They're kind of neat, but it's really, you can't go down there in no shoes.
Huh. What kind of messages in here?
Oh gosh. I'm sure kids at night come in here and vandalize. That's what they do. But, you look around all you want.
All right.
You get done, we'll walk back down.
I'm ready to go now, I
Okay.
guess. Yeah. Might peek in a few of the rooms downstairs.
Yeah, I'll show you the recording studio. Lou John, he's my ad executive for the Bristol Broadcasting where I advertise my auctions. And he's a musician, of course, and he recorded his first 2 albums in here,
Oh, wow.
down here at this end. I believe it's on the 2nd floor. Yeah, you look in some rooms, and some rooms don't look too bad. You look in some rooms, and they look really bad. But I came in here, I know I'm a lot older than you are, but I came in here in the early 90s and did business with people.
Yeah.
One of them I did business with was an appraiser here in Paducah by the name of Ken Underwood. He had an office in here. This place still looked really good in the early 2000s.
My husband said he'd come in here.
Oh,
In the early 2000s, they had a boat company that he'd come in here.
Yeah.
They had an office.
Yep, this is the recording studio.
Oh.
They recorded, the guy that owned this, he was a sound engineer. And he recorded a lot of music in here.
So Lou Jeton didn't want to come and check it out.
I think he may have already been here.
Oh,
Somebody told me his signature is in here.
somewhere.
Yeah. And here's where a bunch of people signed And I'm thinking if his name's in here, it's over here, but I don't see it. But I had somebody in here the other day, they said they came in here and they said they saw Lujaton's name in here.
Huh.
But I don't see it that I recognize.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well,
I would think it would be with.
yeah.
I didn't see nothing in that other room, but might have missed it.
But this looks like a studio the way it's designed. All electronics and everything were in here. They recorded from out here. Don't know where they
Oh,
got it.
here's some more right here. Maybe it's on this wall.
Oh, I bet you it is. Somebody just wrote all over it. Yeah, I bet you're right. Look at there, 2000. So yeah, he's on here somewhere. I don't know where. Look at there. Oh, I gotta take a picture of that. Terry, Mike, Jeffrey, and I are friends. He will love that.
He was in here, huh?
Yeah. Well, he and I, of course, he's a phenomenal musician. I'm gonna stand in
You're
front of you
fine.
real quick. I don't know.
Peeked in there. We'll just make something up.
Go ahead.
Lounge sounds good.
Yeah, it looks like some kind of waiting room.
Yeah.
We can go this way. It goes a little further. I don't know what was down here, but
That's about it, I think.
Yeah.
You just walked through doors and didn't know it.
this is the end of it this way. Yeah. Michelle, I had people tell me that they'd like to see it redone. Nobody wants to step up and spend the money. I had people tell me they're going to tear it down, build something else here. Everybody likes living on Jefferson, so you wouldn't have any trouble selling home sites over here. And then this, right down the middle of this building, pretty much where you're standing, and I'll have it with me tomorrow if you're here. Everything down the center line of this property, that way is zoned B3,
Okay.
business 3. That's where you can do all kinds of commercial and business activity. Everything from the middle of the building this way is all R1. That's single family and I think multifamily, like duplexes can be done this way. Now, Jefferson Street is obviously residential and Broadway is obviously business.
Right.
So that's why it's like that. But whoever buys it, if they do want to raise it, the brick's worth a lot of money. The concrete can always be structured and ground up and resold. There's value there. But then they can do something else with it if they want to.
So what kind of people, or what do you have people interested in, mainly tearing it down or trying to redo it?
They don't really tell me
or-
what's on their.
Not really your job.
They kind of don't lay their cards on the table. They kind of ask questions like you do, but whatever's on their mind, what they want to do, they don't normally tell me.
Right.
So I don't ever really know what anybody's buying or bidding, what their intent is.
Right.
But I think that no matter what, the city would like to see something happen.
Right, of
either
course.
fix the thing or get rid of it and put something productive here.
I definitely understand that.
Yeah,
Instead of it just sitting.
Yeah, it doesn't need to sit. I agree. A lot of people might see it stay, but hey, if you don't have the money or don't have the funds or the financing, then,
I wonder why there's a flipper thing in here.
a what?
A little
Oh, who knows?
snorkel flipper
I don't know.
thing.
Now that's another set of stairs.
God's
I like these down here a little better. They're wider and bigger.
Okay.
But you're anywhere you want to go, you're welcome to go. We can walk the other end, and you can see it if you want to. Like I said, I know where the basement is. I just don't recommend you going down there because there's water in there.
Okay.
If you want to see it, I can show it to you. That's where you and I went up a while ago.
Right.
And,
Then that would go to the
yeah.
basement, correct?
And I'll show you, we'll go back down here. We'll go this way first, come back. We'll go back down because I'll show you that front wing out by your husband's truck.
Okay.
If we haven't been through there yet. That's a pretty bad room there. I wouldn't even try to go in that. Some of these rooms, some of them don't even open. That one opens, but they're all about the same. They're all pretty rough.
You need a lot of work, huh?
Yeah, a lot of work.
Oh, they're all kind of connected too.
They do kind of wind on together. That one,
I think that was connected to that.
a lot. But there's all kinds of rooms. I mean, there's room on top of room on top of room. I think I tried to count them one time. I counted up close to, I think it's about 200.
Oh, wow.
200 different rooms with
Right.
about, if I remember right, it was 12, 14 bathrooms, something like that.
I would have had to get a pencil and a piece of paper.
Well, I did. That's what I did.
I would have lost count.
It came up with about 29,000 square feet. This is actually the better of the building as far as condition goes. Which isn't saying these rooms aren't as bad.
Huh. Not too bad.
No, not as bad as some of the other parts. That room there is just an office.
Okay.
I like all the rest of them. Kind of a mess, isn't it?
That's a lot of cleaning up.
Yeah. Sure is. Well, I know if somebody buys it and fixes it up, they will be considered a hero. Because that will make everybody happy.
Right.
Building's been here since 1880s. Part of it burned. I don't know if all of it is part of it. I can't ever get that answer and nobody knows. But part of it burned in 1915 and it was rebuilt and reopened in 1917. That's a hospital. Well, it was the hospital the whole time. It didn't cease to being a hospital until around 1950-ish. Here's that wing I was mentioning. There is the basement. I don't recommend you going down there without boots. It's wet down there. And it's nasty and you got I mean, you're welcome to, but I'm just telling you, it's bad down there. If you want to go down there, we can go down there. But I don't think I'd walk in that with my shoes, with my
Flip-flops.
sandals on. Yeah, it's about that much water down there.
Okay.
And lots of trip hazards.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check out over here, I guess.
This wing goes this way. Here's the receptionist desk, I'm assuming. And then it's got like a corridor that goes down and kind of branches off both sides. And kind of stick your head in this room if you want to.
So do you know if it was all built at the same time, or was part of it added on, or you know?
It's my understanding it was all as of 1917, what you see now.
Built.
Yeah.
Huh.
I'm not sure before it burned, if they didn't add
Right.
on more after it burned. I don't know the answer to that. And nobody knows that answer.
Right.
But when it burned and reopened, it's been 103 years ago. So it's been a good while. That's why everybody knows it.
Oh, it would make a heck of a place for a Todd Farron.
Yeah.
A haunted house. I couldn't think of the word.
A guy like him, yeah, can do some things.
I like him too. He's very creative.
Yeah.
Just him to do pictures outside would be cool.
Yeah.
I can't believe the homeless don't live in here.
I've never encountered anybody in this building. Now, somebody has been squatting in the accessory building where the boilers are. The only way I could get in was climbing through the window, and somebody been living in there. There was non-perishable containers, spoons everywhere. There was a mattress on the floor, beer bottles, that kind of thing. I don't know if they moved out now since all the activity's been taking place
Right.
over here. I haven't seen them that much activity over there again. You know, I don't think I was looking here.
I think it was connected to the other.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah, that's a big entrance right there, I guess, so people could come in right here and do business with whoever's leasing on this end of the wing. You wanna go down there?
I'll peep in, I guess.
Okay.
I think you're dying to go look.
It's kind of messy.
Might be where the ghosts are.
And it's, well, that's possible. That's possible. I'll stand around the corner and hold a flashlight, but it's about half-inch of water on here on this side. If you want to try to peek around in here, watch your step. And there's another corridor that goes all the way under the one we just walked in. It's just nasty, dirty, wet, and just...
So is it a full basement or just
No.
like a cellar?
Well, there's a full
Or-
basement. Let me just show you. That wing goes that way, and there's a few offices there. But right here is access to the complete building underneath, where steam pipes, conduits, sewer lines, everything run. And you can walk up in here. Now, it's not an 8-foot ceiling type of thing,
Oh,
but it's kind of your chase for your mechanical, if that makes sense.
okay.
And see, it goes up in here too. But I've never gone all the way back down in there. I'm not
Like
going to.
like a subway type
Yeah,
thing or
yeah,
something.
yeah. The elevator's to your right.
Trying not to get my feet wet. I probably
Yeah.
will before it's over with.
Do the best you can.
Oh wow, some old piano. But how did they get it down here?
That's a good question. I have no idea.
Oh no, it's a desk. I'm sorry. I thought it was a piano.
Looks like one.
Might have seen a mouse, but maybe not.
Yeah, there's
Might have been my shadow.
there's probably a bunch of them down here. Yep.
All right, I think I've had enough fun down here.
Yep. Yeah, the basement's kind of messy.
So you haven't taken anybody to the basement.
Baby's coming. They want to see it. Yeah, they kind of want to see it.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And then right here, we're back to the entrance.
Okay.
And you can go either way.
And you said it's about a mirror image at the second floor?
It is. I think this way, watch that glass there. This way it goes down, and if you, be honest with you, look down there, it kind of looks like the upstairs.
Yeah, it does.
And vice versa. Yeah,
Everything's about the same.
about the same.
Yep.
Whole lot of concrete. Whole lot of concrete.
I mean, for the year it was built, it's pretty sturdy.
All the building is. It's just all the trim, the fixtures are just destroyed.
Oh, wow.
Now, running new electrical in here wouldn't be hard. You just run conduit.
Right.
You attach it, conduit, and go on. Sandblast it, paint it, run new electrical. You got plenty of room for your sewer lines, because you got that whole chase down below the basement. So running all your electrical and heating and air and everything is not an issue. It's just that, does anybody want to step up and take that?
Or have the money to do it.
Somebody needs to have a bunch of money, a love for this building, and maybe be a little bit bored. Looking for something to do. Yeah.
So I guess this was like kind of their kitchen area?
I don't
or
know what this was.
Because this is the only place I've seen it would be like a, I mean, they had to fed, if it was a hospital, they had to fed the people, correct?
I don't know.
I mean, I know I'm asking you
Yeah.
questions you can't answer, but I was
don't
just
know.
kind of curious to, I didn't see a kitchen other than this.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you'd seen one.
No, I haven't. I've seen little, like, type break rooms and little nooks where people might sit down and eat something
Yeah,
in some of these offices, but no.
Might have been taken out. I'm just gonna peek down here real
Could
quick.
have.
This is where we come in, correct?
It is.
Okay.
Mhm.
I'm ready if you're ready.
I'm expecting a call. If you're good, I'm good.
Yeah. I think I've seen enough.
All right. Give her your paper, bring your checkbook tomorrow. We're gonna sell it to the high bidder. Regardless.
Right.
Yep.
It's so big, I can't even get it all in the picture. Do you want to turn there?
I thought he was getting a video.